A for apple. A-double-P-L-E. Apple. Apple means save. B for ball. B-A-double-L. Ball. Ball means gained. C for cat. C-A-T. Cat means billy. D for dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dog means kutta. E for egg. E-double-G. Egg. Egg means anda. F for fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Fish means machli. G for goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Goat means bakri. H for house. H-O-U-S-E. House. House means ghar. I for ice. I-C-E. Ice. Ice means barf. J for joker. J-O-K-E-R. Joker. Joker means joker. K for king. K-I-N-G. King. King means raja. L for lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Lion means shade. M for mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Mango means arm. N for nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Nose means naak. For owl. O-W-L. Owl. Owl means ullu. P for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Parrot means tota. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Queen means rani. R for rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Rose means gulab. S for sun. S-U-N. Sun. Sun means suraj. T for tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Tiger means bag. U for uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. Uniform yani vardi. For van. V-A-N. Van. Van means gari. W for watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Watch means ghadi. X for X-ray. X-R-A-Y. X-ray. X-ray means X-ray. Y for yacht. Y-A-T-C-H. Yacht. Yacht means now. Z for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Zebra means zebra.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my